Anyone can get Amazon Prime free for 30 days, but if you are between 18 and 24 years old or a student, you can get Amazon Prime free for young adults for 6 months. There's a shortcut link in the description to this page right here. You get a 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime. That's half a year. You also get 5% cash back and sometimes even more than 5% cash back, as well as Grubhub Plus and a ton of you can see here early access deals to things where you get more percentage off than non-Prime members. You also get Prime Video, you get Amazon Music. There's all kinds of things as well as the free fast delivery. So if you're looking at Amazon Prime and you're looking for the best free trial, if you're between 18 and 24, or if you're a student, Amazon Prime for young adults is the best free trial. It's 6 months free, and it's half off after that. So your Amazon Prime membership after that 6-month trial is actually discounted 50% off. Even if you've already done the trial, 50% off of Amazon Prime. That's Amazon Prime for young adults.